Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this celebrity inspired makeup look. This one is inspired from Alia Bhatt's makeup look. I think it was her Diwali makeup look. I really love this look because of the neat hair and really easy makeup. It's kind of like a natural makeup look. I mean, it does not feel like you're wearing a lot of makeup. I love a glowy, dewy, fresh makeup look. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and now let's get started. I'm going to use the Dermaco 20% Vitamin C Serum. So Dermaco is a brand developed by experienced dermatologists, and they know what products are going to suit you according to your skin concerns, and they heal your skin as they have the right amount of active ingredients. I have been using this for quite some time now. This has got vitamin C, which gives a brightening effect to the skin. I take 3 to 4 drops of it and I apply it on my face. I first dab it and then apply it in upward and outward motion until it gets absorbed. This is non-comedogenic and it's suitable for all skin types, and if I use it during the day, then I follow it up with a sunscreen. This has anti-aging benefits and it evens out the skin tone and also treats hyperpigmentation. I have hyperpigmentation on the sides of my forehead. It's also got hyaluronic acid, which provides hydration, retains moisture, and it treats fine lines. It's got ferulic acid, which boosts the effect of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Of late, I've been shooting a lot of makeup videos and wearing a lot of makeup, obviously. So I feel my skin has become a little dull and it feels dehydrated and a little damaged, so I'm trying this out and I'm loving it. It does not feel sticky at all and it gets absorbed into the skin really quickly, and I love that it gives a little bit of glow to the skin. I forgot to wear my lens, so I'm gonna be right back. Now I'm gonna use the M.A.C Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Pinklite. I'm gonna apply it with a brush. If you want, you can apply it with your hands. It instantly adds such beautiful glow to your face. I am going to use my favorite foundation now. This is the Forever 52 Spotless Stick Foundation, and I am in the shade Wheat. I absolutely love this foundation. I love how easily it blends, and this foundation itself is a little glowy, and I love that about it. The best thing about this foundation is that it keeps your skin skin-like, so it doesn't look like you're wearing foundation or you're wearing makeup. It's just like your skin but better. I have a few products that I swear by, and those are my foundation, concealer, setting powder. So I'm going to use my usual products that I use for my base. So for my concealer, I'm going to use the Elegirl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This concealer is my absolute holy grail. And I'm going to take a brush and blend it. Now, to brighten my under eye area, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Just a couple of dots, that's it. Now to set my under eye area, I'm going to use the K-Beauty setting powder. It's a loose setting powder. And I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. Just set the concealer. I'm done with my base. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And this is in the shade Dark Brown. Just going to fill in my brows. I'm done with the brows and I like my brows to look natural. For my eyes, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I am going to take this beautiful bronzy shade and I'm going to put it all over my eyelids. This eyeshadow is really pretty and it's got a pinkish undertone to it, which I love. I'm also going to apply the same shade on the lower lash line. For my crease area, I'm going to apply this beautiful mauve shade. Now taking this shade, this is a beautiful shade. It's like a baby pink and silver mixed. So I'm just going to take this on my brush and put it on my lower lash line. And I'm also going to put this in the center of my eyelids. Although I really can't see what's going on her eyelids, like the center of her eyelids, but I thought that this would make it prettier. Eyes are almost done. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. For my mascara, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. This has actually got 2 ends and this is the other end. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. Now taking this Glamoreyes eye pencil from Nykaa, this is in the shade Bronze Beam. I'm going to tight line my eyes. Apply it in the waterline. I'm also going to apply it really close to my upper lash line. So my eyes are done and now I'm going to bronze my face. For bronzing my face, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. And I'm not going to bronze much, just for a little bit of warmth. Just on the sides of my forehead and my jawline. And now for my blush and highlighter. I'm going to use the ESTEE Lauder Sculpting Blush and Highlighter Duo. This is in the shade Coral Fever. So I'm just going to take the blush shade and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. This is a beautiful blush shade. And for my highlighter, I'm just going to use the highlighter shade on my forehead, on my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. Now I'm going to take this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place eye pencil. I am going to do a little bindi. For lipstick, I'm going to use this Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick. This is in the shade Peachwood MAC. And I'm just going to dab it on my lips. On top of this, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution lipstick. This is in the shade Struck. I'm just going to dab it a little. I don't have jhumkas like her, so I'm just gonna wear what I have. I'm gonna apply the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. Alright guys, I'm done with the look and I did not apply any false lashes. If you want to apply false lashes, go ahead, but I thought I would skip it today because I'm really happy with my lashes today. Do try this look out. It's very easy. It's very simple. You don't need to use the same products. You can use whatever you have. You have seen my other videos where I have achieved so many celebrity-inspired makeup looks using drugstore products. So you don't really need luxury products to do such looks. All the links to the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. 80% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel, guys. Please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button now. Click on the bell icon and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.